Are you ready? I am all set, set, set. If you are sure, say I bet, bet, bet. Please allow me, let. La, 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 la. If your hair is too long, cut, cut, cut. If the door is open, shut, shut, shut. Try on the jeans, they fit, fit, fit. With a baseball bat you hit, hit, hit. If you want to stop, just quit, quit, quit. When you clean the dirt, it doesn't hurt, hurt, hurt. If you need an output, simply put. Things you like the most always cost, cost, cost. Now stop. Here is a trick. Use your head. Present sounds like read. Past sounds like read. The spelling is the same. Don't be misled. Every day I read, but yesterday I read. Are you ready? I am all. If you are sure, say I. Please allow me. La, 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 la. If your hair is too long, if the door is open, try on the jeans, they. With a baseball bat you. If you want to stop, just. When you clean the dirt, it doesn't. If you need an output, simply. Things you like the most always. Every day I. But yesterday I.